how to change 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi in Windows PC or laptop. Switching your Windows PC or laptop from 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi can improve speed and reduce interference. So to do that, first go ahead and click on WinR on your keyboard and then enter CMD. And then click on enter and then you'll be able to open your command prompt. So in the command prompt, type netsh wlan show drivers and then hit on enter. So in here you'll be able to find the details about your connection. So look for the radio type supported. So if you see 802.11a or 802.11ac or 802.11ax, your device supports 5 gigahertz. And if only 802.11b, 802.11g, or 802.11n, it may be limited to 2.4 gigahertz. So after checking, go ahead and open your taskbar. So you'll find that at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Wi-Fi icon and look for the router's 5 gigahertz SSID. So you'll find that into the information of the specific Wi-Fi connection. So select it and enter the password. If you don't see it, your router may not be broadcasting 5 gigahertz or your PC does not support it. And that is how you can basically change 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi in Windows PC or laptop.